Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa. Today's topic is about vaccination. So many doubts are coming. Can we take vaccination or is it having any side effects? Next question is should we take Covaxin or COVID Shield? Which one is efficient? And next question is I have infected with COVID before 2 to 3 months. So can I take vaccination? So many questions are there. So many questions are asking. That's why I thought that today I will make a video about vaccination. So, after 1 year and 1 month of this pandemic, we have found vaccine called as Covaxin, and second one is the vaccination COVID Shield. So, both the vaccines are both the vaccines efficacy is very much, so you can take vaccine very well, no problem. These vaccines are given in a two doses, first dose and after 28 days a booster dose is also there. So about Covaxin, it is found in the Bharat Biotech with ICMR, and second vaccine COVID Shield is found in Oxford University, and all those work is given to Pune based Serum Institute of India, and COVID Shield vaccinations manufacturing is going on there only. And what is the vaccination? Why it is given to us? These are the common questions everyone is getting nowadays. So everybody is knowing that when a child is just after birth, in every hospitals they are giving us vaccinations, example polio vaccine or BCG vaccine and all. So all of us have taken the vaccinations, but when it came to COVID vaccination, many of us are having very fear inside that whether we should take, whether it is having any side effects, or many doubts are there. So about this Covaxin, it is in Covaxin the inactivated form of coronavirus is injected to our body, and it will make many antibodies in our body against the COVID virus. This is the major process in COVID Shield. In that COVID Shield vaccination, it is used that chimpanzees cold if chimpanzee while getting cold, those virus is used with our COVID virus, which is having spikes in it. So you are, whether you are looking the COVID virus, you can see that some spikes are there in its head, in its virus head. So this chimpanzee's cold virus is injected to our spike protein of COVID virus, and this vaccination is made. And while coming to the efficacy of Covaxin and COVID Shield, for Covaxin it is 81 to 82 percentage, and for COVID Shield it is 85 to 88 percentage. So you can take both the vaccinations. Both the vaccination means both efficacy are almost same, so you can take, no problem is there. But everyone should get vaccination. Next question it is there, who all can take this vaccination and who all can't take this vaccination? For that question, under 18 years they can't take vaccination, COVID vaccination. Next category is pregnant ladies, they can't take. Next category is lactating mothers. Fourth category is if you are getting any reactions in your body after any injections, means if you are getting any anaphylactic reactions in your body, then you can't take this vaccination. Rest of the category, if you are having hypertension, if you are having any liver problem, if you are having any diabetes, BP, thyroid, etc., whatever it is, you can take, no problem is there. And everyone is having doubt about the side effects of the vaccination. So, if you're taking vaccination today, you will get the temporary small side effects like fever, chills, body pain, headache, pin pricking point pain, or constipation, mouth ulcer. Many forms are there. Many people are getting many of these symptoms, but many of us are getting not at all any symptoms in their body. So it depends upon your age, body, and all. So it is not a major thing. You can take for 1 to 3 days. If you're getting any side effect, it will come, otherwise it's okay. No any reactions or nothing will be happen in your body. Okay, so these are the and if you will get some pain or tenderness in this area where they have taken that vaccination. This much is the major things in this vaccination. Next category is you should think one thing. If you're taking Covaxin in your first dose, you should remember, and in the booster dose after 28 days, you should take the second dose also Covaxin. If you're taking COVID Shield in your first dose, then you can take the same COVID Shield after the 28 days cycle. This should be remembered. Next doubt is many mutation is there in this COVID virus. So if you are taking vaccination for this normal COVID virus, then we are getting again we are getting some mutated virus. So what's the effect in our body? So many are asking that first vaccine is waste like that and all. So for that they had made this vaccination for mutated virus also. For a normal range, if it is getting small mutations, example in UK we have got the mutated virus, that is a B117 virus. For those virus also, this vaccination is effective. So you can if it is small changes are there in normal COVID virus, then it will be its efficacy will be there. Our normal vaccination efficacy will be there, so you people can take, nothing to worry in that. So these are the things about the. And next question is if you are already had this COVID problem, if you are infected with this COVID virus, then can we take this vaccination? So after infection, you can take this vaccination after 2 to 3 months. Okay, after 2 to 3 months of this infection, you can take this COVID vaccination. Next doubt is everyone is thinking that if we are taking this vaccination, then we will not get any positive in COVID test. This is a wrong concept. This vaccination is effective, it will go to our body and make antibodies and all, but we should take care. After vaccination also, we should wear a mask, we should keep our social distancing, and we should sanitize our hands. This is very must. Next doubt is how we can register for the vaccination. Two ways are there. One is our Arogya Setu app. Through that, you can register in your Arogya Setu app, and you can find the nearest centers for the vaccination, and you can go there and take the vaccination. Next is website is there for vaccination. Through that also, by your Aadhaar card and all, you can get that vaccination. So now in our India, above 45 years, everyone are taking this vaccination. Everyone should take. Rest of the things, if you are having any diabetes, BP, etc., you can take this vaccination, no problem. Just I told 3 to 4 categories: pregnant ladies, lactating mothers, age below 18 years, and one who are having anaphylactic reactions in the body while taking injections and all. These four categories are only restricted for taking the vaccination. So these all are the details about vaccination. If you are having any doubts, you can ask by comment section. If you're feeling that this COVID vaccination video is effective, we can share. So thank you very much.